Hello everybody, this is Bobby, and what we're going to do today is we're going to configure our WordPress theme. Our last few videos that you've seen, you've pretty much seen how to install WordPress themes through either two ways, through uploading them here from your hard drive, or looking through the 742 current themes and just selecting install and activate. Well, that was fun. Now let's actually activate a theme that I've seen a few people using. That's this theme here called the sliding door theme. We're going to activate it, and if you notice, after I activate it, it's now my current website where I can actually start manipulating the photos and creating menus. I think primarily what we want to do to start is we want to go out in our settings, general, before we do anything. We want to make sure that email address is yours. Okay, I just want to do these couple things here. The other thing I want you to do is I want you to make sure that your permalinks is set to post name, and then hit save changes. Quickly, what we're going to do now is we're going to go over and create some pages. We're going to edit this page called sample page, and we're going to call it home. Let's remove the content that it has, and we'll put coming soon. This is yours. So you might as well remove all of the template data, right? So now we're going to add six more pages. We're going to do this. We're going to add the 6 more pages so that we have, right now, if you notice, you have a home tab, so that you can have 6 new categories, top level categories for your website. So we do that through pages. We're going to go through our dashboard. We're going to click pages, and now we're going to click add new page, and I'm going to type I'm just going to do standard, like 1 2 3 4 5. You should call your page, and pretty much make your page the same name as the content it's going to have. So like, for instance, photos, music, nature, your pages like that. Let me just do this really quickly. Here's mine too. I'm pretty much going to do 7 pages. It's thundering and lightning right now, and you're going to hear a lot of noise. So I'm going to do 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7 real quick. Or let's see, 4. The reason why I want to run through these really quickly is because this is the easiest part. 5, publish. And once I do this, what we can do later is, so 6. I'm going to publish 6 pages because our 7th page is our home page. Right? So once we do that, I'm going to show you the website how you have 6 tabs now. Right? Or 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. And notice right here they're out of order. I can show you how to order them. If I go to a dashboard and click pages and then show all pages, what happens is, home, quick edit. You'll notice that, all pages, home, and click quick edit, and the order is 0. So that's the first page. If you go to 1 and do quick edit, the order has to be 1, update it, etc., etc. Go to 2, has to be 2, hit update. Your third, which is 3, click quick edit. 4, update. Quick edit here. 5, update. You hear the thunder? Ooh, I'm scared. 6, update, and that's your 7. So now if I update that, visit my site, you'll notice that my 4, hold on, 4, you'll notice that they're pretty much in order except for the 4th one. Let me go back to pages and click 4, and I don't know where I left off. See, that's not left off in the right place, so this actually should be 4 or 5 because home is 1. And if this is wrong, I'm going to skip that, don't worry about it. 1 2 3, say 4 5 6 7. Okay, so we ordered those according to, and here's supposed to be 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. So let's skip that for now because we know how to fix it. I want to spend most of my time showing you the next step. So let's go to the next step first. So we're going to go to the dashboard, and then what we're going to do, this is how you actually start to manipulate the photos. You have to create a menu. And I go to a menu, and I'm going to call it new slider menu. New slider menu. Okay, I'm going to create the menu, and this is, once it's created, it's going to give you the ability to add your pages. So I want to say add all of these, select all, and add them to this menu. What happens is they get added to the menu on the right. There's other things you can do in here, put title attributes and stuff. I'm just going to, at this point, keep the default data and select save. Once you select save menu, this area here becomes populated, sliding navigation, and you can select your new slider menu and select save. We're halfway there. Now, if you view your website, you'll notice that you'll have empty images. So now you're getting somewhere, right? Here's your empty images, and your objective still is to fill these images, do all these different empty slots with your images, right? So what we're going to do, if you click on one, you'll notice that you'll be on page 6. And you click on 1, 5, 4, 1, home, right? So you'll click on these and you'll notice that you're in different areas of your website. Once you do that, let's start this first one. We clicked on it and it says we're on 6 pretty much. So we're going to click edit page. And once we click edit page, this is how you get your photo to show. You select set featured image. You set the featured image, and I want to get it from my hard drive, and here's one. What I've done is I've created, do you see 32 before the animal name? As I downloaded this, I got this from Michelle, and she actually sent it to me saying Martine's yelling at me. That was pretty funny. The rest I grabbed really quickly off the internet, free, right? So let's just get this. And this means 32 animal pic means 300 by 200 resolution. I already modified them in GIMP manipulation photo program so that we're all set. And I have a video for that. It's coming up as well later on. I double click on it. It's crunching. And if you notice that right now I'm going to select use as featured image, save. What I would like to do is put a link here. And I'm going to put like Facebook link. What I like to do is do a Facebook link and try to get it so that it points to, I don't know, something that's going to bring me traffic, right? That's what you want, I'm sure. So say if I put this in here and I put paste, it's not going to work right now. I'll tell you why later. It's going to go back. See that? And I'll show you why later. So we save that. We hit close. But I want to show you something. You visit your site and you got the doggy in there. And let's do the next one real quick. So if we click the next one and hit edit page, and we go to featured image, and we select the next file. Remember, 32 means that I've already manipulated the photos in the program. I'm going to use this featured image. It's not going to save that yet, so I'm not going to worry about it. I use GIMP to save it in a full size 300 by 200 resolution, and that's what we're supposed to do. I'm going to close that. Here's something that's very important I want you to know. This theme, in order for you to point to a URL, if you notice, if I visit this site, this points to a page 6. This points to a page 5. Well, if I go to a dashboard and I don't use my menu and I use the default menu that was created with the website and I hit save, you'll notice that he actually can point his to a website. See? And I just showed you that you can't do it right now. And the reason why you can't do it right now is because you need another installation. Yeah, you need an installation that WordPress that you can get from WordPress. I actually already have the link, and it's called point a post or page to a URL, pretty much. How you find it is the name. you can go to your website, go to plugins, add new, page links to, search for page links to, hit search plugins, and this is going to be the one, version 2.71. This plugin allows you to make a WordPress page or post link to a URL of your choosing instead of its WordPress page or post URL. So this is actually installed. I pre-installed it. If I didn't install it, I can look at the installed plugins and I can uninstall it. I'll show you. First I have to uninstall it. It's called page links to, right? So once I uninstall it, I have to delete it. Yes, delete the files. Now I'll start just like you. Maybe I'll add a new one. Search for the plugin. Page links to, right? Just doing it again, that's all. And there it is. Install now. Yes, install that plugin. Once it's installed, I activate it. And now I want to show you something. Now after it's activated, and it's this web right here, okay? Now after I activate it, I actually can go to my website, hit view site, go to my dashboard. First, I'm going to bring back my menu, just because I only wanted to show you that his menu can actually what? Yeah, link to hyperlinks instead of just static documents on our own website. So we visit our site, and that's back to our site. And now say if I want to go here and I want to edit, I can edit page up here because I'm in this area. Once I click this, you see how it changes to page 4. I click this again, changes it to home. So once I click in this area, I can select edit page. And now I want to grab a photo off my desktop. And this time I can choose a hyperlink. So I want to crunch it. And my hyperlink right now, I'm just going to use this featured image. It's going to save it. It's going to say done, right? And I'm going to use an alternate URL. This pops up. This is the page 2 links new tab that appears, well, widget that appears. So you can actually now go to Facebook, grab your page, and say if I want the contest page, I can grab that, and I want that ref right there, href, copy that, go back over here, and I say I want to go to this one. It opens up. And I want it to open up a new one too, because I don't want to lose traffic on the web, but I also want to bring in traffic on the page, right? Okay, so now I visit the site, click here, and if I click here, it's going to go to, you notice how it changed down here? The Facebook page, right? Now, users won't see this, of course, right? This is the administrative mode, so the users won't see that, and they're going to see this content here. That's how it's going to show up for them, right? So, yeah, so that's basically how you do that. You can fill this up, you do it again, you click the next one, and then you select edit, you grab another photo, right? And you grab the photo by setting a featured image, you select the file. I already have a bunch, so we grab this bear, crunches. I can say, now here's the other thing too, basically, falling bear. Alternate text, you want to be able to put alternate text, captions, descriptions, and just save all the changes. Use this featured image, and then once I do that, I can put in an alternate URL for that, and the alternate URL is zoo family, right? So I go here and I put the alternate URL and open it up in a new folder or a new tab, and I update that. And when I go here, now I've got this guy who fell, and I click, and it opens up. It didn't open up in a new tab, and we have to fix that later, of course. So I'm going to click this one now. I'm just going to go to the next one, edit page, grab another photo. I'll just do a few, just so you catch on, and then I'm sure you can do it. Puppy, crunches, I'm going to use this as a featured image. Save, done, right? Enter that into an alternate. Open this in a new window. Boom. Page links to. Open this link in a new window. Update. Now, so if I go here, and that's going to go to Zoo Family. And it's supposed to open up in a new window, so we'll look at that later. But this is basic. I don't think his did either, so that might be a bug. So if you notice, this one will go to our page 4. This one will go to our page 6. This one right here will go to page 5. And now we have these last two go to where? Our Facebook page. Right? Perfect. That's basically how you change this WordPress theme by adding your own photos, menus, and managing your content. And I'm going to upload this for you, so have a great day, okay? Talk to you later. Bye-bye.